My name is Job Nyangenya Umanga. I am a registered voter at Nyakuiba Primary School in Bosot Sengera Ward, Bomachoge Chache Constituency, Kisii County in the Republic of Kenya. That means I have the power to decide the future of my country, the future of my county, the future of my constituency, and the future of my ward. Most of the time I've met people who feel that they are so powerless because they don't have the voter's card. They don't have the opportunity to choose the leaders that they want. I'm asking you today, go register as a voter so that you can be able to activate your power. You have the power which is more powerful than the people in power. Go activate it by registering as a voter. Voter registration exercise is ongoing. Don't wait. This is the time. If you have never been registered as a voter, you can go to Huduma Center wherever you are, and you can be able to register as a voter in your respective constituency. For instance, if you are from Bomachoge Chache constituency and you are in Mombasa, you are in Nairobi, Makueni, Wachil, Mandera, or Kisumu, you can go to the Huduma Center there and you can register as a voter in Bomachoge Chache at that Huduma Center. If you want to transfer as a voter to Bomachoge Chache constituency, then you need to travel all the way to Ogimbo IBC office so that you can be able to register or transfer your vote there. This is the time to make your voice heard. Your vote is your choice. Your choice is your voice. Go get registered. Encourage people to get registered. If we are in the social media, I don't see any reason whatsoever why you are not posting about, why you are not encouraging people to go and be registered as voters. This is the time to decide the destiny of our constituency, the destiny of our county, the destiny of our country. Go get registered. Thank you so much.